The phone that I am recording on just dropped in the water. I was just doing dishes and I had it on the sink and it flipped over and was like, boom, into the sink. So the old rice trick I'm hoping will work for this Google Pixel phone. I really can't believe that's the back of my phone. I've got the OtterBox. It usually helps when the phone is dropped, but not water. I don't think water. So we're gonna just, I hate to waste rice because obviously I gotta throw it away after this for sanitary purposes. I gotta be sure the bowl is big enough. Yeah, that's the case. So about to place my phone in this rice. Hopefully it will dry it out. And hopefully the sound on this video doesn't sound too waterlogged. All right. Performed a rice burial for my Google Pixel phone. It dropped in the water while I was doing dishes. It flipped off the sink and into the water. It did an acrobatic move. So we performed a rice burial. I don't know whoever came up with this trick, but the sound sounds waterlogged. I do have insurance on the phone, but I don't think it covers water damage, just internal stuff. So the cases are waiting. They're waiting for the determination. Usually, this is the second time this has happened, and I've never had to do the rice method because this OtterBox case, saved the phone the first time, but I don't know about this time. This time it flipped off the sink and did an acrobatic move and submerged for quite a while because I didn't realize what the noise was because I was putting away dishes. So we'll see how the rice burial works out. We'll let it set. The case is patiently waiting the verdict of the rice burial. I hope I submerged in it enough rice. Now I'm about to remove the phone from the burial, the rice. There was, all right, I'm gonna clean it off. The Google Pixel powered on while it was in the rice. Let's hear the sound. Sounds like the sound is good. Let's go. Let's go. My phone is saved. Yeah. The color she's serving. I had a little gloss on my lips, so I love it. I love the color. And I'm ready to head out. Back at Home Depot. Take pictures. I love flowers. In the nursery of the Home Depot. I love those. About to make some chicken Alfredo broccoli dish for dinner. Knock the broccoli up. Now I'm gonna add the chicken in and I'm gonna spice it up. Right, we got a little lemon juice, got a little black pepper. Of course, we got a little Tabitha Brown Sunshine. Even the dogs agree. I have another Tabitha Very Good garlic. I got two kinds of pasta. I got ravioli and tortellini. Put a little salt in the water. It's gonna start boiling in a few. Sliced up some green onions and tomato. Since we added some more veggies, we'll add a little more seasoning. We'll add more seasoning since we added more vegetables. A little more garlic. And we got two kinds of pasta. And so I'm cooking that. About to join it with the pasta. Put that in there. Okay, it's combined. Last but not least, let's add the ragu Alfredo sauce and cook it. So we're gonna add a little bit of water to the jar. We're just gonna warm it up, let it cook in the skillet. Then it'll almost be ready. Added some more seasoning. Be ready in about 10 more minutes. Got me some zero sugar Minute Maid fruit punch with a healthy dinner. Kills the virus, kills COVID, multi-purpose spigot fan. Still in the sink. First disposal, I'm running a hot stream of water, then turning it down to a trickle. It says to leave the water at a trickle. This is supposed to be a biodegradable. You stick it down the drain with a trickle of water. You stick it down the drain. It says do not open packet, so it's biodegradable. Stick it in the drain with a trickle of water. Stick it in, it's in. Turn on the... There it goes. There's the blue foam I was looking for. Oh, it went in the other sink too. So double sink, cleaning them both. Nice. That's pretty cool. Has a pleasant, clean citrus smell. Laundry. Can't forget a dryer sheet. I love sweet pea. There's only one left. I love it so much. We'll do game this time. Okay. We're gonna put it in some towels. Press start. I'm actually gonna wipe this off because it needs a wiping. We're gonna wash the pillowcases and my sheets so I can have some good sweet dreams. This one has double extra cushion. Sheets. Wash the blankets, other blankets separate so I can get a thorough clean. Clean and makeup brushes. I like my Eco Tool Deep Clean Makeup Brush and Sponge Shampoo. So I've already washed it one time, and this will be the last brush that I have to wash. I use this to help get the makeup out. This is if I just do it by hand and don't use the machine, because I only had 4 brushes that were dirty, so I just decided to wash them all by hand. So I washed 5 brushes. Once they're clean, I just put them right there to dry, air dry. I'm at the mechanic shop getting some work done on the car, and I browsed One of my favorites, strawberry and blueberry. Good morning. It's a good way to start the morning. I'm still here at the mechanic shop, and we're back with Sharon Snacks. I wanted to try this Jacqueline's Duo Teriyaki and original flavor. I'm eating them at the same time. It's good. It's good.